Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing. This is our first day in the village. Jay started with the braids and beautiful hair. Guys, we went to Thank𝙔𝙤𝙪 to get some food items. Then on our way from Thank𝙔𝙤𝙪, we stopped at the beach, just to enjoy our coastal town. It was very beautiful day, and we end up in the house. Guess what? The kids want me to cook for them as usual, and I got the pot from Vume, so I just thought, get cooking. It was fun. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll definitely see you with the long form videos. Thank you so much. See you.